In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Imap on Zoho Mail. Imap, which stands for Internet Message Access Protocol, is a useful tool that allows your email client to access and manipulate the contents of your email account while leaving the messages on Zoho's server. This means you can check your emails from multiple devices, and they'll always be up to date because they synchronize in real time. Let's dive into how you can enable this feature in Zoho Mail. First, you'll want to begin by heading over to the Zoho Mail website. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, you'll need to navigate to your settings. Typically, you'll find a gear icon or a menu option labeled Settings in the top right corner of your screen. Click on that, and you'll be taken to the Settings page. Now that you're on the Settings page, you'll want to focus your attention on the Mail Accounts section. Click on this option to expand it and view more details about your mail account configuration. This section is critical because it holds all the features related to your email settings, including the configuration for Imap. Next, inside the Mail Accounts section, you'll see an option labeled Imap. Click on this option, and it will take you to the specific settings for Imap. Here, you'll find several different settings that you can adjust, but for now, our main focus is on enabling the basic Imap access. Once you're in the Imap section, you should see a checkbox option that specifically mentions Imap access. Go ahead and check this box to enable the Imap feature for your account. Enabling Imap is a crucial step because it allows your email data to be accessible from other mail clients, ensuring that your email experience is seamless across various devices. After you've checked the Imap access box, it's vital to remember to save your changes. Look for a Save button on this page, which is generally located towards the bottom. Click this Save button to confirm and apply the changes you've just made. It's always a good idea to double-check that you've saved your settings before navigating away from the page to ensure that everything is applied as intended. And that's it! You've now successfully enabled Imap on your Zoho Mail account. With Imap enabled, you can enjoy the convenience of accessing your emails anytime and anywhere without losing synchronization. This setup is particularly beneficial if you use multiple devices to manage your emails, as it ensures all your messages are consistent and up to date. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!